bother looking into it closely enough? What's the defense of something like that? Because to me, a normal politician, I would just say, he's lying. Mitt Romney knew Alan Dershowitz didn't make that argument and said it anyway. That's what I would say about any other politician.
I have two reasons. I don't know what you have, but I have two reasons. Ann Romney, his wife. Because that's perfectly reasonable. And the second reason is Romney. That's it. That's all you need to know.
Yeah.
Romney.
That explains everything.
It does. It really does. Why did this impeachment happen? Why Ukraine? Romney. All right. Thanks, Matt. The days of being able to look the other way are really over. We don't have the luxury of being unaware of what the mainstream media and big tech companies, Facebook, Twitter, even your cell phone company is doing. They are in bed with the left, and they support leftist causes with your money. Stop it. Do you have a big cell carrier service? Get out of it right now and switch to Patriot Mobile. Everybody uses the same basic cell, 4 cell towers. They're all owned, by the same people, and everybody's on those cell towers, so you're going to get the same service. You're going to get the same coverage. I say you're going to get better service with the people that are at Patriot Mobile. But also, beyond that, you're going to save money, and they don't put their money into, abortions. They don't put their money into fighting against your right to be free or your right to bear arms. The other cell companies do. Stop. You have a choice on this one. PatriotMobile.com/Beck. Go there now. PatriotMobile.com/Beck. Switch and be with people who believe the same things that you do. Generally, they believe in the Constitution, they believe in the Bill of Rights, and they support those. Don't work against yourself every time you make a phone call. PatriotMobile.com/Beck. Switch now. PatriotMobile.com/Beck.